Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD not opening or stuck on splash screen using the easy method. This is a great way to clear out loading glitches so your main program loads up quickly and works perfectly. Step 1. Fully close the stuck program. The first step is to open your computer's background action window to make sure the frozen program is completely shut down before you try to fix it. Press the three special keys on your keyboard together to bring up your Hidden System tool list and click on the Background Action panel. Find the drawing program's name in the active list, click on it with your mouse, and tap the End Task button at the bottom of the window. Because a frozen program hangs out in your computer's short-term memory, even if you cannot see it on your screen, you have to force close this stuck file so your computer can drop its error state completely. Without this step, trying to fix won't work because the computer thinks the program is still trying to run. Step 2. Clear out your temporary file folders. Next, you need to navigate into your computer's hidden data storage folders to wipe out old junk data that might be blocking the loading screen. Hold down your System key and press the letter R to open the small run box. Type the folder shortcut name with percentage signs and press Enter. Highlight every single folder and file inside the messy screen that pops up and click the Delete button to send them to the trash. Because programs drop little bits of temporary note files every time they try to load up. By cleaning out this junk room, you stop the old loading errors from repeating when you start a fresh session. It ensures your program has a completely clean slate to build its regular files from scratch. Step 3. Reset the program to factory settings. Now you need to use the official built-in reset utility tool to turn back the clock on your program choices and fix any corrupted user settings. Go down to your computer's main search box, type the name of your drawing program followed by the word Reset, and click on the official shortcut icon. Click the choice that lets you back up your custom settings first, and then click the final button to reset everything back to the day you bought it. Because a broken user profile file is the main reason why a drawing program gets stuck on its loading picture. By running this clean reset, you remove any bad settings choices that were causing the crash. It is the key step to getting the right output because it forces the software to open up with its default factory options. Step 4. Update your computer's graphics software. The final step is to check your display system and make sure your computer's display driver tool is completely up to date. Open your main device setup manager panel, find the section for your display cards, right-click on your screen driver line, and select the option to update it. Let the system look for the update file online, wait for the progress bar to finish installing, and restart your computer. Because the loading picture needs a lot of screen power to jump onto your monitor properly. Once you update your display driver, your computer can talk to your drawing software without getting confused by old screen code. Now your fix is completely finished, and your drawing files are ready to open. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD not opening or stuck on splash screen, you must first fully close the frozen program using your background action window. Then you clear out your temporary file folders to wipe out junk data. Next, you use the search box to reset the program back to factory settings. Finally, you update your screen driver tool and restart your computer to finish. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.